Hi there and welcome to another lecture. Now in this one I'm going to be showing you a 100% unique strategy to get 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers. So I'm 100% sure that you haven't heard about this strategy ever before. But just before we start, keep in mind that this will require a small investment. I'm not quite sure how much, but it's gonna be probably less than 100 bucks. But it will help you get any channel monetized. So this is the easiest and the quickest way to get any channel monetized. It will help you get your channel monetized like 20 days or even less than that. So how this actually works is, first off, you will have to create a 5 to 10 long video in real life footage, and you will have to create 2 or 3 of those. So you will, for example, take your phone, you will turn your camera into selfie mode. You will maybe create like a vlog video for like 5 to 10 minutes, or just film around yourself, you know, film your house tour, a room tour, go for a walk, and then film the river in your town, or whatever you want to just film in real life footage for like 5 to 10 minutes. And then I'm gonna show you what you need to do with that to get views and subscribers quickly. And just keep in mind, even if you're camera shy, don't be shy to be in front of that camera, because your video will probably not be seen by anyone. Maybe 1 or 2 people will see that, but I don't guarantee that. Your video will be seen by bots, and I'm gonna show that in a couple of seconds what I mean by that. And don't worry, you will not have to spend hundreds of dollars on subscribers, reviews, or anything like that. But rather than that, so if you actually search on Google for like buy subscribers, you will see that some big companies, some big websites will sell those subscribers for really high prices. You know, it's really expensive to buy subscribers these days. So if you click on these services, this is the first website that it came up with. So buy YouTube subscribers. If you take a look, 1,000 subscribers equals $92, which is really a lot. And then if you want to buy views, that's gonna be like for maybe like let me see. It doesn't say, they didn't say how much watch time you will get, but let's say you want to buy 10,000 views, that's $61, and then $92 for subscribers. It's really a lot, and I don't want you guys to spend that much money on this. But rather than that, so these big companies will actually go to some SMM panels. Those are social media, I don't know what's the last word, but those huge companies like this one, GetFans.io, they will go to those SMM panels, and they're their suppliers, and they will buy subscribers for really cheap, and then sell it on these huge websites, and then rank them on Google, get free traffic, and then collect the profits. But I'm going to show you how to actually, instead of going to these huge companies and buying 1,000 subscribers for $92, which is really insane, I will show you how to go directly to the suppliers and buy from them for really cheap. So this is something that not a lot of people knows about, and I'm quite sure you haven't heard about this before. So you'll just search in Google for SMM panels. Let's find some. So you have like hundreds of different SMM panels that you can check out, you know, and I can't just tell you like go maybe to this one and then buy from them, because every day, for example, today this one will work perfectly and you will be able to get subscribers and watch time from them, but maybe tomorrow they won't work. But rather than that, this one will work tomorrow, but it will not work today. So it really changes it will change every single day. So you will have to go through and find some that works today, that works now. So for example, I already checked this one, so let me click on that. So as I said, on the previous website, you would be able to buy 1,000 subscribers for $92, but from those SMM panels, you can see that you can buy subscribers for like $25, $40, $48, and you can easily buy this for 25 bucks, and they will deliver those 1,000 subscribers in like maybe 2 or 3 weeks. So it takes around 20 days to receive 1,000 subscribers, but it's like the easiest and the quickest way to get 1,000 subscribers. If you don't want to create viral videos, or if there are not enough members in our Facebook group to get you watch time and subscribers. So as you can see, you can just place an order right here. You will paste your channel URL and you will buy those subscribers for 25 bucks. Or you don't have to use this website. There are hundreds of different, as I said, you can search for SMM panels and just find some that has the cheapest and the best quality service, and then buy from them. For example, this one, just another panel.com, and if you click on services, let me find the subscribers. YouTube subscribers, you can buy them for 70 bucks, 16 bucks, 17 bucks, $27. No, yes, this is subscribers, so you can buy them for like 15, 16, 17 dollars, less than 20 bucks. You can buy 1,000 subscribers, and you can get them in like 20 days or even less than that. And this is a really great strategy, and it worked really well for me. You know, I got my last channel approved just by buying those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time from this SMM Panels, and I spent around 48 bucks. I spent $48, and I got one channel approved for monetization, and now I can literally build it and sell it for a few $1,000s. So you can definitely check some of the different SMM Panels. As I said, maybe this one will work today, but tomorrow it may not work for you. So you definitely need to do a little bit of research and find some that works for you. And you will do the same for the views. You know, as I said, you will create different videos, 2 to 3 videos, 5 to 10 minutes long, and then you will send views to them. You will send watch time to them. You want to buy watch time from this SMM Panels. And as you can see, watch time is even cheaper than subscribers. So you can buy, well, like 1,000 views, you can buy for 75 cents, and you only need, like, depending on how much watch time they're offering, but you can maybe buy 10,000, 20,000 views for like less than 20 bucks, and then for less than 20 bucks buy subscribers, and you can easily get it done for like 40 to 50 bucks, and you will have your channel approved for monetization. I mean, you will have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. But in the next lecture, I'm going to show you how to actually pass the review. So I show you 3 different ways to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. Now it's time to actually show you how you can actually pass the review quickly. So once you do have 1,000 subscribers and once you do have 4,000 hours of watch time, let me show you how you can pass the review quickly. Wait. Before you go, I just want to show you quickly how you can actually place an order, because I just thought, like, maybe you don't know how to actually do this. You will just, I picked this one, yoyomedia.in. This is some SMM panel that I came across. It's really cheap. I will use this one just to show you how to actually play. It really works the same for any other panel. And you can just create an account here, absolutely free. It's absolutely free. You will add your phones. You will add like 10 bucks, 20 bucks, and then you can place an order right here. You will click on this new order, and you can select the category, pick a service. I want to select, for example, YouTube subscribers. Okay, it's, as I said, for example, this one, it's not working. YouTube subscribers are not working for this SMM panel, but let me buy some views. As you can see, you will just pick a service right here, what you would like. You will see the description of that. So instant start, auto refill. So if some of them drops, it will auto refill, and then you will just get your YouTube video URL, and you will place it right here, and you will just type in the amount of views that you would like to order. So if I type 5,000 views, that's gonna be $8.10, and then just, yes, I have confirmed an order, and add an order, and that's it. That's all you have to do. So it's super simple. Now let's jump into the next lecture.